we've been framing walls, and as you can see, we've already got several walls up. This wall we just laid out and put it all together. But we're going to show you one way to stand walls up. This wall is about 50 feet long, so it's very heavy. So we're going to use wall jacks. If you had a bunch of guys that could stand it up all together, you could do that as well, but the wall jacks are an alternative to lifting a very long wall section. So right now we just got the top part of the wall up on blocks, and you'll see why we've done that in just a moment. This is called a wall jack, and they're used in conjunction with these 2x4s, and then we'll stand it up. But general rule of thumb is you want to use a 2x4 to jack on that's twice as long as your wall height. Our wall height is 10 feet, and so we've got a 20-foot 2x4 on each of these wall jacks. So the first thing I'm going to do is slide the wall jack over the 2x4. It's kind of tricky at first as far as getting them where you want them. And I'm just going to get it started. Nate, I need your help. Okay. So you'll need two people to do this. And we're going to stand it up. We've got a concrete floor, so we can't just screw.
Go grab it off the plate.
Okay, you want to make sure you got your wall jack between a stud bay, so it's not going to hit a stud. Okay.